How to use keyframes in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use keyframes in TikTok. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Now look for the CapCut app. If there is an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, go back to your home page and open the CapCut application. Inside CapCut, import your video that you would like to edit. Now keyframes are generally used to keep the focus on the object or the main point of the video. If there is a moving object on your video that you want to track, then you can use keyframes to track them. Right now I am using this sticker as an example. Select your video clip, sticker clip or the text clip where you would like to add your keyframe. Now to add a keyframe, tap on this icon. Now right when I click it, then a keyframe is added to the selected video clip, sticker clip or the text clip. Now add a next keyframe and keep moving the object. This will track the object. Once you are done, then play the video again. Now when you do that, then all the movements will be covered and it will look like a smooth movement. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.